Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I have the cutest sweater set for you today. I'm kind of updating my fall wardrobe, so I have a little cardigan, the shell, and the pants for you. So let's start with the shell. I'm in love. Look how cute this is. The color is great. I love that you have this contrast along the arms and the neck. I like that it's really nice and high. Teachers, great for school because you can bend over and you're not going to be able to see anything. Love the pants. They are like beyond stretchy, have elastic in the back. They are a great length. And then you are just going to complete the look with the little cardi that matches. I mean, seriously, come on now. Like, I am ready for parent-teacher night. Put on a cute little flat. I love that this has a little bit of a print to it. I think that just like really elevates everything. Love that little red around there. Little necklace that I was gifted by a brand. They are on Etsy. Check them out. So yeah, I'm feeling cute. I'm feeling comfy, put together, super chic, great transitional outfit for fall. Definitely check this one out.